In this video, I will be showing you how to troubleshoot common errors on Deepseek. Let's get started. First, I'll go ahead and type Deepseek login into the Google search bar and hit enter. From the search results, I click on the primary Deepseek link to open up the platform. Once the page loads, I want to look into the most frequent issues, so I click inside the message box and type out Deepseek common problems, then click the arrow to send the prompt. Deepseek generates a comprehensive breakdown covering API and model common questions, error codes, and general interface concerns. I scroll down slowly to read through the details, noting the explanations for common API error codes like 400, 401, 402, 429, and 500. I keep scrolling down to review sections about application and account issues, missing chat history images, and conversation length limits. Since a cluttered browser cache can sometimes cause loading or interface problems, let's look at how to clear it. I move my cursor up to the top right corner of the window and click on the three dots to open the browser menu. From the drop-down list, I select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, I navigate to the left-hand panel and click on Privacy and Security. Next, I click on Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I make sure the time range is set to All Time, verify that the appropriate boxes are checked, and then click the blue Delete Data button. After clearing the data, I close the Settings tab to return to the Deepseek page. Another helpful step is checking browser extensions, so I click the three dots in the top right corner again, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. This allows me to view all active add-ons. Now, let's open a new tab to verify my internet connection speed, which can often be the culprit behind sluggish AI responses. I type Speed Test into the search bar and click on the Speed Test by Ookla link. When the page loads, I click the large Go button. A prompt appears asking to know my location, so I click Allow while visiting the site. I wait a few moments as the meter runs, tracking the download speed as it climbs up past 50 megabytes per second, followed immediately by the upload speed test. Once both tests finish and confirm a stable connection, I close the speed test tab. If you are still experiencing interface glitches, trying an incognito window can help. I click the three dots in the top right corner one more time and select New Incognito Window. In the address bar, I type Deepseek login and hit enter. I click on the main Deepseek link from the results, which brings me to a clean login screen. I click into the credentials fields, enter my email address and password, and then click the blue Login button. This successfully reloads the platform in a completely fresh session, ready for a new chat. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.